There's a question that a lot of homeowners ask when it comes to building or resurfacing a pool. What is the difference between pool tile and regular tile? Well, the difference is pretty important, so we wanted to take some time and break it down. So let's dive into the differences between pool tile and regular tile. If you've done any research on the matter, you've probably realized that there are many different types of tile. From porcelain and glass tile to pebble and more, there truly is a tile in every shape, size, and color available. But what's the difference? With so many options available, how do you know where to start? The first and most important thing to consider is where the tile is going to be installed. Though tile made for interiors is durable, it's not made to withstand the day-to-day impact of the natural elements. So, to answer your question, yes, there is a difference between pool tile and regular tile. And, to put it simply, the difference is durability. But what does that mean? Unlike the tile used in a kitchen backsplash or bathroom, pool tile needs to withstand being submerged in water, blasted by UV rays, being exposed to harsh pool chemicals, and be able to hold out against huge temperature fluctuations and severe weather. For these reasons, pool tiles need to meet certain standards, such as water absorption, thermal shock, and other standards that regular kitchen or bath tiles may not need to meet. The Tile Council of North America, or TCNA for short, is the organization that sets and maintains these standards. All professional contractors, pool builders, or tile installers should be very familiar with them and their guidelines. The TCNA was founded to ensure that consumers and trade professionals are both protected and that every installation is of the highest quality. They test tiles for their breaking strength and crazing resistance, chemical resistance, facial dimensions and thickness, freeze, thaw, and thermal shock resistance, and warpage and water absorption. For all of these reasons, pool tile can be used for all other interior applications. However, other regular tile you might buy is not necessarily good for swimming pools. So don't end up with ugly and expensive broken tile. At AquaBlue, pool tile is our specialty, and we have the largest selection available on the internet. We're sure to have something for every aesthetic. Pool tile can be used to finish the entire pool surface, or more traditionally, as a waterline tile around the perimeter of the pool. A waterline refers to the band of tile that wraps around the perimeter of most plaster or aggregate swimming pools at the water level. This band exists primarily for ease of maintenance, but has become a focal point when planning the aesthetic for the pool or spa area. If there was no waterline tile installed, the area the band spans would begin to look dirty and faded over time due to scum buildup where the water level meets the shell of the pool. Traditionally, 6x6 porcelain tile has been used to cover this area to help prevent this, but glass mosaics have become increasingly popular over the last few decades due to their timeless look and potential indefinite lifespan. But how do you choose? We recommend starting with color. Porcelain and glass are both very durable and easy to maintain, so you can't really go wrong with either option. However, you can get more color options with glass tile, and they tend to provide more of the high-end look. If you are going for a more traditional look, or if you're purchasing on a budget, porcelain is a good option. After choosing a color, we recommend thinking about format and chip size. Do you want a unique shape for your tiles or a more traditional rectangular tile? Let's talk money. Many people assume they can't afford an all-tile pool, as it's something often found in high-end resorts and luxury homes. But this couldn't be further from the truth. So, how much does something like this cost? The answer varies by region, as installation costs are very different from state to state. For material costs, you can expect to pay between $5 and $30 per square foot on average for the material. That means no matter what your budget, you too can have your very own luxury pool paradise. Some of you may be wondering if glass tile really is suitable as a pool finish. Well, we're here to give you a definitive yes. Glass tile is by far the most durable and long-lasting pool finish. It's also the most eco-friendly option in choices for pool finishes, as most tiles we carry are created with recycled materials. As we previously mentioned, pool tile isn't only a great option outdoors, but it can be used for your interiors as well. Pool-rated tile would be a great choice for a bathroom or kitchen tile. Since it exceeds standards for exterior applications, tile that is rated for pools will withstand years of use in a shower, backsplash, or floor. Whatever your vision for your pool paradise, AquaBlue's got you covered. We're staffed with an educated team who can walk you through the process of finding the right pool tile, grout, mosaics, and accessories to get the job done right. Don't delay. Create the dream pool you and your loved ones will enjoy for a lifetime.